Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff with the Collector Car Network. That's AutoHunter.com, ClassicCars.com, and The Journal, and we're here with Barrrett-Jackson at the 2022 Las Vegas auctions. This beautiful vehicle here is a 1956 Chevrolet Cameo pickup. This is a very interesting series of vehicles. You might be looking at it thinking, that looks a little bit different from what I typically think of when I think of some Chevrolet 3100 pickups. That reason is because the Cameo was the idea that you could have a good-looking luxury pickup that could also be used like a truck. Inside here, you do have your 265 cubic inch V8, which is paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission that drives to the rear wheels. It's absolutely gorgeous. This truck in particular has gone through a bolt-off, frame-off restoration, going through everything on the truck. But the more important details come around the side here. You have some, of course, your awesome Chevy hubcaps, which do have the paint match and the white walls, which look absolutely fantastic. Your typical 3100 Chevrolet badging, just signifying that this is in fact your Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck. But this back half of the truck, this is much different here. This is clearly a different truck. As you can see, this is very stylized. Again, going off of your typical 50 styling, it doesn't have a lot more detail, and I think it just looks a little bit better. To me, it presents very nice. It looks like something you might find on something like a 56 Bel Air of the period. Very nice in terms of having the two-tone colors, even following some of the different Corvettes in their coves and things like that. On the inside there, you can see our 3-speed column shifted transmission there. And of course, the luxurious interior to remind you that you do in fact have a luxury truck. Now, this truck does come with some really cool details, including this super cool bed cover that sits over this nice, pretty wood sitting there in the bed. And then as we come back again to the very end of the truck, you'll notice this is very luxury and almost car-like in terms of how they present the rear bumper. This is, of course, again, a Cameo, meaning this is a luxury truck, and so it just looks a little bit different, but I think it does a good job of trying to find that blend of luxury truck, but also that workhorse when you need it to be that way. Now, if you're looking to find a collector vehicle for yourself, be sure to check out our online auction, AutoHunter.com, which has new vehicles going live every weekday, or you can check out our classified website, ClassicCars.com, which has over 35,000 cars currently live on the site. If you guys could like this video, we'd really appreciate it, as it does help the channel out, and make sure you get subscribed so you don't miss any more content like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching.